Hi guys, welcome back to Let's Cook with Honey. So today we are going to make French onion soup. So let's start. So we need 5 to 6 large onions this size. We are going to turn the heat on medium high. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. Now we are going to add our onions and we are going to let them cook for 8 to 10 minutes until they become tender. We just want to caramelize our onions. I have 1.5 teaspoon of salt here. We are just adding a pinch right now and saving the rest of the salt for later. This will help to remove the liquids from the onions. Now it's time to reduce our heat to medium-low. We are going to continue to cook for 25 minutes or until they are light golden brown, and every 5 minutes we will stir the onions. So it's been 25 minutes and now our onions are golden brown. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Stir and let it cook for a few minutes. And now we are going to turn our heat on medium high and we will add 8 cups of beef broth. So this is 4 cups. Make sure it is low salt. Another 4 cups, so total 8 cups. Add our remaining 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 teaspoon of crushed black pepper or as your taste, and 1 teaspoon of dried thyme. It's starting to boil. Now we are going to turn our heat on medium-low and we will let it cook for 15 more minutes. While this is boiling, we will need baguette. We are going to slice it like this. And we will lay them on baking tray and we are going to brush both sides with olive oil. I have my olive oil here. We are going to brush both sides. Now we are going to toast them in the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 to 8 minutes or until golden brown. You can also use your broiler to speed up the toasting process. They're nice and toasty. Now we are going to flip them over because we want both sides to be toasty. So our toast are out of the oven. Set aside. And we need oven-proof soup bowl. We also need grated Gruyere cheese. This is 5 ounces. And we need couple tablespoon of Parmesan cheese. Now we are going to turn our soup off and we are going to pour our soup in our bowls. So about 2 ladles we are going to add. We need this much space because we have to top it with cheese and toast. And now we are going to top it with our toasts. We need 2 in each bowl. And we are going to top it with our cheese. Little bit sprinkle of Parmesan. And again we are going to turn our broiler on high and we are going to put this in the oven just to melt our cheese and then it's ready to serve. Our soup is out of the oven. We are just going to sprinkle a little bit of chopped parsley. This is the final product. If you like this recipe, please like, comment and subscribe. And enjoy!